Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to go over my 8 favorite wallet on chains that are on the market right now. You guys know I recently got my Chanel wallet on chain, which I will link the unboxing right up in the cards. I think that's on the side. After this long, I should know, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's on this side. So because of that, I feel like I really want to talk about the wallet on chain shape in general. I'll let you guys know what my thoughts are. I will also link a full review of my wallet on chain in the cards. I think that will be up already. If not, it is coming very soon. Plus, you guys know I've been doing a series recently on my channel, basically just picking a bag shape and letting you guys know what my favorite bags are in that shape. So if you guys want to know what my favorite wallet on chains are, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're going to want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like wallet on chains, I feel like this is definitely where you're going to want to be. So you should subscribe if you're not already. And you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day there's a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot. We post a lot over there. So you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. I'm going to scooch this way because I feel like I always scooch that way. So we're switching it up. Look at me making changes. I will be saving the one wallet on chain that is on my wish list all the way until the end, so stay tuned for that. But for now, let's jump into the first one. So the first wallet on chain that I want to talk about is actually from Dior. And if you guys saw the bags I returned and why video, which I will link up here in case you missed it, you will know that it is the Dior saddle wallet on chain. Now, the fact that I mentioned it in a video where I told you guys all the bags that I've returned and why, it's gonna raise a red flag, and I get it, but this is the thing. The reason that I returned it, if you watch that video, you'll know, is because I really wanted a book tote. I did not want a wallet on chain at that moment. That's what I really wanted, and I ended up going for the little baby wallet on chain because it was so cost effective. This bag comes in at $1,700, which is a fantastic price point when we're talking about luxury. So the reason that I returned it actually has nothing to do with how good of a bag it is. I actually think it's a fantastic bag, and the fact that you can get this in like the Dior oblique or you can get it in a leather version, I think actually makes it more versatile. So I really have nothing against this bag. I know the saddle it's a weird shape. It's a really weird shape. Everyone says it looks like a kidney. I used to have that bag, and I'll link all the bags I sold and why up here. But for me, I felt like it was too big and didn't hold what I wanted it to hold for a bag of that size. But here you have the perfect combo of both sides because this is obviously a very small bag. Okay, so you got the best of both worlds. That's what I was trying to say. So you have a small bag that's obviously small. Like you can look at this and know that it's not going to hold everything that you have. You get like a taste of the trend without having to like fully delve into a over $4,000 bag. So I think that this is just really great. So the next one, honestly, I should have just mentioned this one already just to get it over with, is going to be the Chanel wallet on chain. You guys know that this is the only wallet on chain that is currently in my collection. This was my birthday gift to myself this year, and I absolutely love this bag, you guys. I also mentioned this bag in bags that you should get when starting out your collection, so I'll link that up here. But it's just so versatile. You can use this bag for any occasion. I can't think of one occasion that you wouldn't want to use a bag like this, unless obviously you need to carry like a lot of stuff. But this goes really well for like casual outfits. This works really well for nighttime outfits. This just transitions from day to night so easily. And the fact that you have so many different ways to wear it, I think is just, it just helps you use it more and get the cost per wear out of it. So I absolutely love it. I will say this one is a lot more expensive than the Dior one that we just spoke about. This one comes in at $33.50, whereas the Dior one is literally half the price. But this is very different to the Dior one because I feel like this is classic. This is not something that has any type of trend to it whatsoever. This is never going to day in your collection ever because Chanel is going to produce these forever. And if you're like me and you just are a Chanel lover, I just think a wallet on chain is essential, especially if you get it with the base shaper. I was obsessed with wallet on chains before I got this. And once I found this one on Fashionfly, I knew this is the one that I needed to add. And no regrets. It's just been fantastic. Let's talk about Hermes. I feel like you can't do a wallet on chain video without talking about these two. So let's start off with my favorite of the two, which is the Kelly to go. I think that this is just one of the most beautiful bags. And I know it's such a simple bag, but I think that's kind of what makes it so special to me. I personally think that I am in general a Kelly girl. I think if I was going to get an Hermes bag, it would definitely be a Kelly. So I guess that's why I gravitate towards this one so much more than the Constance to go. But spoiler alert, we're going to talk about the Constance to go next. But I just think that this is such a cute way to get like a taste of the Kelly without going like full-fledged into a $12,000 bag. I don't think this is an easy bag to get, nor do I think the Constance to go is an easy bag to get. But I do think it is, you know, a concentrated, smaller, much less expensive much less expensive way to get a taste of Hermes leather. So it's really a good option. I love the fact that you don't have like that big H logo that is like screaming at you. It's Hermes and people can tell it's Hermes if they know Hermes, but you're not like shouting at pedestrians like Hermes. On the flip side, let's talk about the Constance to go, which is shouting at you Hermes. But even though it does that, I do still think it's a little bit more understated than some other Hermes bags. The H is not as big on the Constance to go as it is on the actual Constance bag. And also I feel like this is a really cute way to get a taste of the Constance, just like the Kelly to go is a good way to get a taste of the Kelly without actually like delving into the Constance, which is also upwards of $10,000. If you get the 24 size. I believe that the 18 size is around $8,000. Correct me if I'm wrong. But these two wallet on chains, I think, sit at $6,000. So you're getting, I mean, it's expensive. There's no denying that this is the most expensive wallet on chain that's going to be on today's list. But with that being said, it is an Hermes piece. Like we knew what this was when we knew what we were getting ourselves into here. The Kelly to go, in my opinion, is just a casual bag. Like even if you take the strap off that, it's really just casual. But I think because of the hardware on the Constance to go, you take the strap off that and you have an evening bag. So even if you don't like it as a crossbody bag, I think you can take it off, use it as an evening bag, and still be happy with your purchase. The Constance like 18 or the Constance 24, you can't do that. Like that's just a crossbody bag, or it's a crossbody bag. Or I guess you could obviously double it up and put it on your shoulder. But either way, like it's a casual bag. There's not much versatility there. With the Constance to go, you do have that versatility. So I think this is just a really good way to go. If you're thinking about getting a Constance, but you're not sure, you're like on the fence, jump off the fence on this side, you know? My fifth pick is from Seline. Now, you guys know I have not been Celine's #1 fan. I know everyone is obsessed with Seline right now, and I could definitely understand it. It's very trendy at the moment, but for me, I'm not into trendy things, so that's really why me and Seline are not best friends right now. However, this Margot wallet on chain, I think, is just like the Constance and the Kelly to go. It's a great way to get a taste of that trendy Triumph logo, that trendy Triumph line from Seline without just diving into a full $4,000 Triumph bag. Actually, I think it's over $4,000 now. I did mention the Triumph shoulder bag in an East-West video that I just did. I'll link that right up here. I think that that's also a great option to get like a taste of the Triumph line without actually getting the Triumph bag. But this is an even better option because the price point is just, it's so much better. And of course, the versatility is really there for this piece. It does have a chain strap as opposed to a leather strap like the Kelly to go and the Constance to go have. And that does make it more dressy. But not only that, you can also tuck that into the bag. So I'm not 100% sure if it's removable. It looks like it's not. But you can tuck it into the bag and have yourself a nice little clutch. You go out for date night, go out to a nice little event with your little wallet on chain from Seline. And I think it's just a fantastic option. And I have to be honest with you guys, the leather from Seline is the whole everything. Okay, it keeps me up at night, the fact that I don't have like a taste of that in my collection. So it's really a fantastic wallet on chain if you're on the market for one. And again, the price point on this is just so good. A classic piece that you just can't go wrong with is the Saint Laurent envelope wallet on chain. I actually used to have this. I'll pop a picture of mine over here. And I have to say, I absolutely love this bag. Something about Saint Laurent is their leather it's unmatched. I think their leather is, I mean, it's like caviar from Chanel, but like on crack. It is so durable. Like you could throw this bag across a field, and when you half an hour later, when you run over there across the field to get it, it is going to be in perfect condition. There's not going to be a scratch on this bag because this leather is just so durable. I don't even understand how they do it, to be honest. It's like, it's insane to me. So if you want something with durability, something that can transition from day to night, and something that you don't have to baby, something that's not delicate, this is definitely one to get. And again, this is such a classic piece because Saint Laurent's logo is Saint Laurent's logo. Everybody knows Saint Laurent's logo. Yeah, they changed their name, but the logo is the same, okay? Did that just rhyme? So this is absolutely never going to date. It's never going to go out of style. And you're going to be able to carry this until you're like in your 80s, okay? If you're going to the club, this is the one. Trust me, this is the one that you want to take. That's all I'm saying. So my second to last pick is from Fendi, and I have to admit that I had not known anything about this wallet on chain until I started doing research for this video. Most of these I had seen before, or I had like automatically thought of when I knew I was going to do this video. But this one was brand spanking new to me, and I have to say I don't know what the hell I was doing before this, because this is incredible. This is the baguette wallet on chain. This is one of the most price effective ones, coming in at $11.50, and I don't even understand how Fendi is making a profit on this, because if you look at this bag, it looks incredibly detailed. This looks exactly like the baguette, obviously shrunken down, and it doesn't have like the top handle, but it does have the FF leather like embossed. Yeah, that's embossed, just like it does on the baguette. And it's just such a classic style, but at the same time, it's so stylish. And I just think this is so cool. Like, I don't know why no one talks about this wallet on chain. I've never seen anyone talk about this. I did debate talking about the phone pouch that they recently came out with, because I think that's also like really good value for money. But the issue that I have with that one is that it's not actually a wallet on chain. This is categorized as a wallet on chain, and the price point is actually better on this one than it is for the phone pouch anyways. So, and plus this one is more detailed because this one has the FF embossed leather, which is just insane to me. Like how they can make a piece with that beautiful Napa leather and have it be at $11.50. Like, what? Are they even making a profit on this? Like, somebody, do you work for Fendi? Let me know. And for my last pick, as I promised, I was going to tell you which one is actually on my wish list. If this is not your first video here, you will know exactly which one, and you'll probably be sick and tired of me talking about it, because I've been talking about it in what feels like every single video. But listen, there is a good reason. The Dior Miss Dior mini bag. I don't know if this is actually categorized as a wallet on chain. I think it is, because it's not just like in the regular bag section on the Dior website. So I'm going to say that this is categorized as a wallet on chain. But I am absolutely obsessed with it, you guys. If I'm going to get anything from this video, obviously I already have the Chanel one, so that's out. But if I'm going to get anything from this video, it's going to be this one for sure. I just haven't found a color combo that really speaks to me yet. But the second that I do, it's going to be right behind me. It's going to be, I'm going to unbox it so quick. I just think this is such a gorgeous piece, you guys. And yes, this is a little bit pricey. It comes in at $28.50, but I will say this is the only one that comes with a top handle. That to me adds so much versatility to a wallet on chain I cannot even explain to you. And the fact that you have those Dior charms, and yes, they're like little shrunken down mini versions, but they look so cute on the little bag. And you have that delicious lambskin leather that Dior has with the canage all over it. Stop it. Stop it right now. You want to wear it crossbody, you wear it crossbody. You want to take off the chain and wear it top handle, you wear it top handle. If you want to wear it at night, you can do that too. I just think this is the best one, okay? I mean, obviously, I really love my Chanel wallet on chain as well. So those are going to be my two favorites. But since I already have the wallet on chain from Chanel, this is the one that is on my wish list. This is the one that I'm currently stocking. So yeah, guys, those are my 8 favorite wallet on chains. Definitely let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Do you know of any wallet on chains that I didn't speak of? I know there are obviously so many more, like Valentino has some that I didn't talk about. I think Alexander McQueen has some really cool ones, but these were just the ones that I really wanted to highlight today. But let me know in the comments, did I miss any that are your favorite? Do you have any of these? What do you think of them? Is there a color in the Miss Dior mini that I need to own? Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Move over.